How to use Canva template website in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the Canva website templates within your Wix website. So we are going to head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the project or the admin dashboard. We're going to head over templates and type in website, just like that. Once we have selected website, we are going to choose the template that we want to be using. For example, we are going to use a free one, such as one of these. So I would like to use a free one, like this one. I'm going to customize this template and have it just like that. Now, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. How we can integrate this kind of, as you can see, template or website template to our Wix website. It is not going to be a crucial or a combination that is going to be direct, but it is going to be a matter of having the pages. For example, these pages or this page is going to be like this. For example, I would like to add or download the pages. So we're going to have the PNG. We can go ahead and download it just completely like that. So once we have downloaded it, we're going to wait for it. It is going to be complete. I would like to have it just like that. So we need at least to have something like the diameters or the preferences here. So I would like to have it like this. So let's see the dimensions. 1366 by 7680. So you can go ahead and add, for example, a page. So we are going to click on pages and menus, and we're going to add a new page for that. It should be normally a landing page, which is going to be something, I don't know, like that. We're going to add a whole page, and we're going to wait for the page to be loaded. Now we're going to let it named as landing page. We're going to select all the elements that are here, and we're going to download them like this. So we have the section. I would like to add or make this specific section as long as I can. So we're going to make it at least like that. My method is going to be a little bit traditional. Why? Because it is not going to be interactive. So we are going to double tap on that. Click on change background, select image, and we're going to have our image normally here. So this is it. We're going to have it like that. Now we're going to wait for a few seconds. Image here, change background, wait for it. So as you can see, the image or the website is going to be something like that. And we're going to make it as long as it could be. This is one of the options, as you can see, and we're going to integrate it like this. Or you can go ahead and add multiple sections and images like these. For example, you're going to choose one of the images. This is one of the image or the website image like that. So we are going to basically have it not zoomed in, but you can go ahead and set it as a background. It is going to be the same. You can go ahead and click on adjust the image. You can adjust it. For example, set up the cropping of it. For example, for each one of the images, you're going to have something like that. you're going to save it and add multiple sections. So it is going to be something like that. It is a little bit zoomed in, but you can go ahead and make it like that. Now, this is going to be a demonstrative website, not an applicable website. You need only to set up these image blocks just like that. So preferably you're going to add image blocks just like that and make it as much as you want. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.